Hi, I'm Jackie Mason, and I specialize in helping people learn how to move optimally in any activity or skill. In addition, I help people stop doing an activity or skill that may be annoying or that could actually be damaging to one's health. Today, I'm going to discuss how to stop snoring and how to diminish and eliminate sleep apnea.
And here the position is where the pelvis is behind the shoulders, the chin tends to be up, and the neck is bent. This is going to block the airway, and you can see on a close-up here how the neck is bent, the chin is slightly up, and this is what causes snoring, the blocked airway. And this is the position that most of us also stand and sit in. Now notice if you change the position so that the pelvis is in front of the shoulders, and you just tuck the chin back such that the head aligns with the spine, as in this picture, you will stop blocking the airway and your chances of snoring are greatly reduced. And again, this is a posture that you would actually need to stand and sit in as well. Another way that we snore is to tuck the chin way down too much so that the neck is bent way too far forward. So you just need to bring the head back up and back to make sure the neck aligns with the spine in such a way that you don't block the airway.
For more information on how you can change all kinds of ways that you move to be more optimal, go to my website at movetoexcel.com, where I have a book called Move to Excel that can get you started on your way and transform your life potentially.